In this video, we're going to take Shotcut, the movie editor, and we are going to hack the toolbar. So the toolbar has these quick layout buttons, specifically logging and player we're going to change. We're going to use a hex editor, and we're going to do all that next. Okay, the versions that I'm using are Windows 7 32-bit version 20.09.27. I'm also going or can hack the Windows 7 64-bit version, which is 22.12.22, and then finally the newest version as of this video for Windows 10 and 11, Shotcut version 23.12.15. So those are the versions that this is touching on and can be hacked. Before we get started, you need to go into wherever you've installed your Shotcut. We're going to make a duplicate of the program. So either name it original or backup, but just know which one you're editing and which one to save. That way, if you do some bad edits, then you can start all over. And if the button up here, the quick or the layout button on the toolbar, if when you click it, it does not change, you have not made a successful edit. So you'll have to either start over or continue editing with the hex editor and find more words with the logging or the player or whatever word you're changing. Keep going until you change all those. Okay, before we start actually hacking, I need to show you how to test it. So this is a successful hack. So up at the layout toolbar, you should be able to click it and it should change to the layout that you want it to. So this worked. If it doesn't transition to the layout, then you need to continue editing and hacking the program. So we didn't do anything to the editing, FX, color, or audio layout, but we did this last one. So this should also, when we click it, it should also change the layout. So that's the encoding layout of mine. So if any of these buttons don't work, it's not a successful hack. Okay, first, to do our hacking, we will need a hex editor. I prefer the HXD. It's free, 32-bit and 64-bit, and I would recommend doing this so everything looks the same when you're editing. So I've loaded the altered executable, and I've also got the original. So I'm going to quickly show you how to change the text, change the text, and then afterwards I'm going to have a still of all the edits you need, so you can just pause on that and do your edits. So you don't need to go back and forth of the video. So real quickly, you go to on your one you want to edit, you want to go and find, and then you're going to put in the word logging, capital L, hit OK, and then it will go right to logging, and I can show you here the altered version. You see where I changed the word. So you do your just right over the top of these words. Don't add any extra words or go over, because that may ruin the program. So once you do all your edits, hit save and then test it out, as I told you before. So right now I'm going to put up all the edits you need to make. I hope this helped and hope you're successful, and keep coming back to this channel for great videos.